Quantum computing, the buzzword that's set to change the future of technology as we know it. It's been a topic of interest among scientists and tech enthusiasts for years, but in 2024, the world is starting to see just how impactful quantum computing could be. It's not just some far-off science fiction dream. Quantum computers are real, and they're advancing faster than ever. But what exactly is quantum computing? How does it work? And what could it mean for our world? In today's video, we'll break down the rise of quantum computing, how it could transform industries from finance to medicine, and what challenges lie ahead as we unlock the power of quantum mechanics. Let's start by understanding what quantum computing actually is. Unlike classical computers, which use bits to process information as zeros and ones, quantum computers use qubits. What's the difference? Well, a qubit can exist in a state of 0, 1, or both at the same time, a phenomenon known as superposition. This ability to be in multiple states at once means quantum computers can process information at exponentially faster rates than traditional computers. In 2024, this technology is on the verge of revolutionizing how we solve complex problems. Tasks that would take classical computers thousands of years to complete could potentially be solved in a matter of seconds by a quantum computer. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Quantum computers leverage principles like entanglement and tunneling, allowing them to solve highly complex calculations that are far beyond the reach of today's fastest supercomputers. But what does that mean for everyday life? One of the most immediate and significant applications of quantum computing is in the field of cryptography and cybersecurity. Today, most secure communications rely on encryption algorithms that are incredibly hard to crack using classical computers. However, a fully developed quantum computer could break modern encryption systems like RSA in minutes. Imagine what this means. All the data we think is safe today, financial records, personal emails, government communications, could become vulnerable. But on the flip side, quantum computing also enables the development of quantum encryption, which is theoretically unbreakable. So while quantum computers pose a threat to current security systems, they also promise to create a much more secure future. Quantum computing is also set to transform the world of pharmaceuticals and drug discovery. Today, developing new drugs can take years, if not decades, and costs billions of dollars. This is partly because simulating molecular structures, understanding how different compounds will react with each other, is an incredibly complex task. But with quantum computing, scientists can simulate molecular interactions with high precision, potentially cutting down the time and cost of drug development dramatically. Imagine a world where vaccines and life-saving medicines can be developed in months instead of years, all thanks to the processing power of quantum computers. Let's also talk about finance and economic modeling. In 2024, quantum computing is starting to make waves in the finance sector, where complex algorithms are used to model market behaviors, manage risk, and optimize investment portfolios. The financial markets are highly complex systems with vast amounts of data that are nearly impossible to predict accurately with current technology. However, quantum computers can process this data in real time, running simulations to forecast market trends, evaluate risks, and make more informed trading decisions. Hedge funds and investment banks are already racing to integrate quantum algorithms into their systems, hoping to gain a competitive edge in the market. Another exciting application is in materials science and engineering. Discovering new materials with specific properties, like super strong metals, efficient superconductors, or advanced semiconductors, is a process of trial and error that can take years. But with quantum computing, scientists can predict the properties of new materials before they're even created. By understanding the quantum behavior of particles at a fundamental level, these computers can simulate how atoms will interact, making it possible to discover materials that could revolutionize industries like energy storage, electronics, and even space exploration. Imagine building lighter, stronger materials for aircraft or more efficient batteries for electric cars, all thanks to the predictive power of quantum simulations. However, the rise of quantum computing isn't without its challenges. For one, quantum computers are incredibly difficult to build and maintain. They operate at temperatures close to absolute zero and are highly sensitive to external noise and interference, which can easily disrupt their operations. This is why, in 2024, only a handful of companies and research institutions, like IBM, Google, and China's Baidu, are leading the charge in developing functional quantum computers. These organizations are competing in what many call the quantum race, as whoever achieves quantum supremacy. The point at which a quantum computer can outperform the most advanced classical computer could fundamentally change the balance of technological power. There's also the challenge of scalability. While quantum computers have made impressive strides, they currently operate with a limited number of qubits. To perform more complex tasks and truly revolutionize industries, quantum computers will need to scale up to thousands or even millions of qubits. This scaling presents a significant technical challenge, as maintaining the coherence of qubits becomes increasingly difficult as their number grows. However, advances are being made every year, and 2024 is seeing breakthroughs in error correction and hardware development, bringing us closer to scalable, commercial quantum computers. Governments and military organizations are also closely watching the development of quantum computing. National security is at stake, given the potential for quantum computers to crack encrypted communications and gain a strategic advantage. As a result, countries like the US, China, and members of the European Union are investing heavily in quantum research and development to ensure they are not left behind in this technological revolution. The geopolitical implications of quantum computing are enormous, as the country that first achieves full-scale quantum computing capabilities could significantly influence global security, trade, and diplomacy. What about the average person? When will quantum computing affect your day-to-day life? While it may take a few more years before quantum computers are small, cheap, and stable enough to be used in regular consumer applications, the impact will be felt across many aspects of life. Imagine more accurate weather predictions, faster and safer autonomous vehicles, and more immersive gaming experiences, all made possible by the power of quantum computing. And while we might not be carrying around quantum laptops just yet, the advancements in AI, healthcare, finance, and security will trickle down, benefiting individuals and society as a whole. There's also a lot of excitement in the tech startup world. In 2024, many startups are focused on developing quantum software, algorithms, and applications that can run on these powerful machines. They're working on solving problems like supply chain optimization, artificial intelligence training, and even new forms of entertainment that leverage the unique processing power of quantum computing. These startups are backed by venture capitalists who see the enormous potential of quantum technology, and they're working alongside tech giants to accelerate innovation. In conclusion, quantum computing is more than just a futuristic concept. It's a rapidly advancing technology that will change the way we live, work, and solve some of the world's biggest challenges. From revolutionizing cybersecurity and drug discovery to transforming financial markets and material science, quantum computing is poised to reshape industries across the board. While there are still hurdles to overcome, 2024 marks a critical year in the journey toward making quantum computing a reality. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the world of quantum computing. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on all things tech, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And let us know in the comments, what aspect of quantum computing are you most excited about? Or do you have any questions about how it will impact the future? We'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video.